How are you doing, guys? I hope you're well. I've decided to do a sandwich. I've got a lot of sandwiches on my channel, but this sandwich is one of my favourites, and I want to show you it. It's pretty hard to make a good sandwich. A lot of people overcomplicate them, but I just think the simple ones are the best. And this sandwich is simple. Simple ingredients, easy to get, and all the flavours just meld together really, really nicely. I did this sandwich on Instagram and Facebook. Sometimes I just do it for my supper. Just get my phone, film one-handed if I can, try and film it, and if it turns out good, I mean, sometimes these are off the cuff, and if it turns out good, I will put it on YouTube, because this one's a cracker. I hope you enjoy it. Sit back, relax, and take a look. Thanks, guys. First, place eggs in a saucepan, cover with cold water, bring to a boil, and cook in a medium to high heat for 7 minutes. When cooked, place in an ice bath. Next, slice onion and transfer to a roasting tray. Followed by tomatoes, sliced potatoes, caraway seeds, chili flakes, salt and pepper, garlic powder, olive oil, and mix well. Now place in the oven and cook. When cooked, mix well and keep warm. The protein I'll be using for this sandwich are chicken thighs. Season well with salt, add a drizzle of olive oil, and mix. Transfer to a hot pan and brown. Now place in the oven and cook. So there you have it, just a really good sandwich to tuck into. Thanks, guys. So there you have it, one delicious sandwich packed full of flavour. So let's